Good morning, class 8. Welcome to chemistry classroom once again. This is your first class for this session because actually I had no book. Now I have gotten the book. So already I have posted last year videos and completed the first chapter, I think. So I will discuss the exercise of this first chapter because the topics are basically same. That's why I will not start it from starting. I will discuss the exercise directly. So let's start the objective type questions matter. Select the correct answer from A, B, C, D and E for each statement given below. First question is here. An atom or group of atoms having a resultant charge. So answer is ion. The state of matter which has a least density and no free surface. That is gas. And Ladont experiment, the gas form in which chemical energy stored up in the reactant gas release. Basically heat. Answer is heat. Heat एनर्जी को नॉर्मली केमिकल एनर्जी में स्टोर किया जाता है और रिएक्टेंट हीट रिलीज भी करता है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंज ऑफ लिक्विड इनटू वेपर ऑन हीटिंग. लिक्विड इनटू वेपर हीट देने की वजह से चेंज हो रहा है, दैट इज वेपोराइजेशन. द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर वेयर द इंटर पार्टिकल अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन particles is maximum. Answer is solid. Now, with reference to the liquid state of matter, answer the following. On heating the liquid, do the particles gain or lose energy? Basically, when we apply heat on any the three state of matter, especially liquid, particles gain energy and start vibrating. The heat energy supplied to the liquid is absorbed by its molecule and stored as which form of energy? That is kinetic energy. For what? Because in case of matter, the particles are at random motion. When we provide some heat or supply some heat to the liquid and the particles get started to vibrate more vigorously and the kinetic energy is increased. So how does the stored energy have effect on interparticle space? Because when the particles are heated, they are in great at random motion with a great kinetic energy. That's why the interparticle space will be increased. State why the interparticle attraction decreases to negligible. Why the interparticle attraction decreases to negligible. State why the interparticle attraction decreases to negligible. Matlab, when we apply heat, normally solid change into liquid and again liquid change into gas. As because the kinetic energy is increased, then the interparticle attraction is decreases or negligible. At what point will the particles become free and escape as gas? That is boiling point. Next, complete the statements by filling in the blanks with the correct word. In naphthalene, the interparticle attraction is low. The law of conversion of mass is strictly valid if mass and volume as considered together. When interparticle space increases, the interparticle attractive force normally, जब when interparticle space increase होगा, स्पेस अगर इंक्रीज होता है तो अट्रैक्शन ऑब्वियसली डिक्रीज होगा. काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इन हीलियम इज लार्ज compared to the kinetic energy of molecules in water because water is liquid and helium is gas. So as a compare of gas and liquid, gas possesses a much kinetic energy rather than liquid. Conversion of vapor into liquid is termed as vaporization. Next, give reason for the following. Particles of matter possess energy called kinetic energy. Why? Because matter consists of tiniest particles. These are known as atoms. And atoms are always at a great random motion. That's why matter possesses kinetic energy. Solids cannot be compressed, but gases are highly compressible because in case of solid, the particles are very closely packed and the space between the particles is negligible. But in case of gas, the particles are loosely packed and the space between the particles is maximum. That's why we can easily compress the gas particles. Kinetic energy of molecules of gases is very large, of solids least, because gases particles are free. As because the space between the gaseous particles larger rather than other two states, that's why the particles are at a great random motion, and when we provide some energy, then they start vibrates vigorously. That's why in case of gas, kinetic energy is maximum, but in case of solids, the particles are closely packed, as because the intermolecular force of attraction is very strong. That's why kinetic energy is least. On heating a sublimable solid, the molecules break free and escape from surface of the solid directly into vapor. Because when we provide heat upon a sublimable solid, actually the particles of sublimable solid overcome the heat energy and just break down into smallest particles and the space become increased. Actually space बढ़ जाता है. इस दौरान normally molecules breaks free and escape from surface solid directly into vapor. Particles of matter move more rapidly on application of heat, as because already I have discussed in the first question. For matter basically consists of the tiniest particle, that is these are known as atoms. तो atoms को अगर heat देंगे normally they are always at a random motion. तो particles को heat देने पे they start vibrate vigorously and then move far apart. Next, complete the blanks with a reference to the interconversion of matter on the basis of kinetic theory. During melting of solids, the interparticle space, अगर melting हो रहा है तो solid का जब melting हो रहा है interparticular space obviously क्या होगा, बढ़ जाएगा, that is increases. During vaporization, the liquid particles gain energy. During liquefaction, the particles लॉस एनर्जी, क्योंकि लिक्विफिकेशन मतलब वेपर से लिक्विड में ट्रांसफर हो रहा है तो नॉर्मली एनर्जी को लॉस करेगा. ड्यूरिंग सॉलिडिफिकेशन द इंटर पार्टिकल स्पेस, सॉलिडिफिकेशन के द्वारा इंटर पार्टिकल स्पेस क्या होता है, इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. ड्यूरिंग सब्लिमेशन द इंटर पार्टिकल्स अट्रैक्शन इज डिक्रीजेस. सब्लिमेशन मतलब जब सॉलिड डायरेक्टली चेंज इनटू गैस, तो हीट देने पे क्या होता है, हीट ओवरकम करने के बाद सरफेस एरिया टूट जाने के बाद ही डायरेक्टली द सॉलिड टर्न इनटू गैसियस पार्टिकल. दैट्स व्हाई आंसर विल बी डिक्रीजेस. नेक्स्ट, long question answer is not possible to discuss in this video, so I will only discuss question number 9. What is the interconversion of matter? Give the meaning of the terms involved in the interconversion of matter. Melting. What is melting? Melting, actually it is a phenomena when after applying some heat, solid turn into liquid, that is melting. Vaporization, it is a physical phenomena when liquid turn into vapor. liquefaction or condensation. Same way it is a physical phenomena when vapor turn into liquid. Solidification or freezing, same way it is a physical change, whereas after losing energy the particles are closer compact and turn into solid. This phenomenon is also known as solidification or freezing. Sublimation is a change, whereas solid directly change into vapor. Next, number 11. With reference to the interconversion of matter on the basis of kinetic theory, explain the brief interconversion is solid into liquid. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? चेंज को सॉलिड जब लिक्विड में चेंज हो रहा है दैट इज द मेल्टिंग. A liquid into vapor, that is vaporization. Vapor into liquid, that is liquefaction or condensation. A liquid into solid, that is freezing. Next, rest question students you will try at home. अगर कोई problem हो रहा है तो just comment on my channel or ask me personally. I will discuss later. But it is not possible to discuss all these long questions in the video. So for today, up to this portion, and the next class I will start with new chapter, second chapter.